Reiki symbol shaman is the special boon from God that gives relief without any medicine. When you are doing kitchen work and are touched with hot cooker or any other utensil that is on gas, then by this symbol you can get relief. When you are standing in a public place and feel itchiness in your private part, then by imagination drawing this symbol, you can get relief from itchiness. When you have boils in your mouth or gums or tooth pain or other mouth problems, then draw chokure shamin chokure with your tongue on the affected area. If you have throat problem, then draw chokure shamin chokure on the throat or by imagination internal affected part of the throat. In the cases of any burns, cuts, inflammation, allergy or infection, shaman symbol is very effective. Now see how to use Reiki symbol shaman. You have to prepare affirmation according to your pain or problem. Affirmation should be in present tense and positive. There is no need of pen or paper. You have to draw by imagination or with your fingers. First step, you have to draw chokure both sides, left and right, above your head and say 3 times in your mind, purify, activate and stabilize. And have to feel that positive energies of chokure is coming from the universe. Then draw Seiki above your head, both sides, left and right. Say in your mind, purify, activate and stabilize 3 times. Then draw Daikomyo above your head, both sides, left and right. Say in your mind 3 times, purify, activate and stabilize. Then draw Honsha Shunen in front of you to create connection between you and universe energies. Then draw shaman symbol on affected area by making affirmation. Affirmation should be positive and in present tense. In a very short period, you will feel that your pain, allergy or infection has been vanishing. At last, you have to thank for God and Reiki. Reiki symbol